2015 BMW i8. If you're planning on replacing the gear selector switch illumination circuit board, here's what you're going to be dealing with. Behind this plate, you have a double-sided sticky tape, and it is very sticky that it's going to be hard to remove. There, as you can see, it is all around the plate. And be prepared to scratch your chrome housing. As you can see, I have scratches on the bottom, on the left side, and on the right side, because it is really hard to remove and you're going to be frustrated, and there is a very high chance that you are going to scratch your chrome on the shifter lever. So I just want you to know that, so you can prepare for a frustrating ordeal. I hope this information helps, and good luck with replacing the illumination circuit board. Thank you for watching.